Here's how my day started off, with winning just under $30,000. And you can see it on the right side of the screen. And the great part of this is that I actually recorded it. It was super awesome. But unfortunately, I don't know what happened. It didn't record. I don't know if it was because it was a 15-minute video, but it just didn't record. And yeah, I'm not very happy about that. But anywho, we're going to use that same strategy and we're going to take a couple of trades, but you can learn all about it and how to leave your 9 to 5 mastering this same hitman strategy down in the description. And the link is also at the top of the screen. It's not just a strategy, it's an entire program that's going to take you from what the heck is a candle to, okay, let me take my withdrawal. All right, so let's get back into this. We're only taking a few. All you need is just the one horizontal line. You really don't even need a trend line, but I found that it works a lot better when you do. We're going to change this to 2500. We're going to change this to 1 minute. You want to make sure that it says plus M1. When it hits this line, 4, 3, 2, 1, we're going to buy. You're about to watch me make some huge mistakes. Huge mistakes that brought me from $90,000 down to just $3,300. Yeah, super crazy, right? This is the importance of really mapping out your support and your resistance. Why? Because then you're just going to take trades in the wrong place and you're going to lose, as you see that I'm doing here. But I didn't give up. Here, I'm about to win all the way up to $75,000, and obviously I have more money that I have to get back. So after I win these right here, now we're back at 75, and I have to go looking for other positions, and again, I don't take it at the right place, and then I have to hedge, and I believe I'm going to win 4 after the hedge. So 3, 2, 1. There we go. We're at 70, it was 72. And now we're going to take these and ride them down a little bit. And here we're just going to watch this whole candle play out. We come to that end of it. You can see that we're at 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. We got it. And we are at 98,550. Yeah, 98,550. That's a nice come up. And these are my last 2 trades. And now we're at 102,750. Go check out the link and learn how to master it. It's super simple. Or you could just join me inside of my Discord, where I post every day. You can get access to the courses, strategies, resource libraries, video, mentorship info, leave your 9 to 5 program, share your trades here, request a video for help, and get direct answers from me. So I will see you later. All links are down in the description, and that is it. Have a great day. Smash that like and subscribe if you haven't done so.